Okay. Mariah, please go to the nurse. You're sick. You have COVID. Please go to the nurse. What the frick? Like, I only coughed once. Why do I need to go to the nurse? You know what? You might have rabies. You're right. We should take you to the emergency room. Wait, no, that's not what I meant. 911, what's your emergency? Mariah Corsello, she coughed, and I think she has COVID. Alrighty, we'll send a bus right over to your location. Okay, thank you. They're sending an 911 right over to you. So just pack up your things and go to the emergency. This is why I hate COVID.